Good day everyone, my name is Gert Eys. Today I'm going to be sharing my insights about the future of digital branding and online business presence. According to me, there are two main problems in the online marketing world. These are keeping customers entertained in an oversaturated space and maintaining a consistent business image across multiple platforms. It is important for companies to avoid these challenges and create certain solutions for these problems. Like I mentioned earlier, one of the big problems was brand inconsistency across multiple platforms. This is any form of weak messaging, whether it be design of an advert, the tone of an advert. This weakens relationship with customers and creates weaker customer loyalty. You can solve this through a unified branding strategy. This can be done through having customer surveys, by doing customer audits regularly, and having a clear brand guidelines. This can create trust with customers and create a better relationship at the end of the day, which would increase customer loyalty. The second problem I mentioned was keeping customers engaged in an oversaturated space. The world of online marketing is very competitive. Luckily, this problem of keeping customers entertained can be solved using AI. In the recent years, AI has become a big tool used by companies to create a more predictable algorithm for customers. This can create a more personalized experience and improve customer loyalty in the long term. So in conclusion, the future of online branding is to stay competitive and use these strategies to improve customer loyalties in the long term. Thank you for your time, and I hope this helped you to understand the future of online branding and digital presence.